Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Apple Pay 2023. Super easy. You go to your search and type in wallet. It's right there. Click on that and then this thing will come up. 2023. The other way is you already had the wallet right there in your app. Hit that. Same thing. This will come up. So now how to add it up. So you see the plus sign. Press on the plus sign. That's how you add your debit or credit card right there. I put a red circle on it. Hit that and then hit continue. Alright, so at this point in time, you're gonna point your camera to your debit card or credit card. So I'm not gonna compromise my information right here. So everything was captured. The credit card number is supposed to be there, my expiration date. You have to enter your security code. Okay, the camera not gonna capture that, so you're gonna enter it manually, and then you're gonna hit next, and then it's gonna add up your card, setting up your card, and then you're gonna come to this terms conditions, scroll down, and hit agree. Once you do that, the Apple Pay is setting it up right there, adding to the wallet. Okay, now you're gonna get this alert. It says it's ready for Apple Pay. And after that, the card's gonna get added, and then I'm gonna use this card as a default. Click that, and then it's gonna be looking like this. All right. So let me try it again. Wallet is gonna look like this. So when you pay, on the side button, you're gonna tap it twice. So let me go to settings. Make sure everything looks good. Click settings, and then you're gonna be looking for wallet and Apple Pay, which is right there. Hit that, and then right there I added my card. Make sure the double click side button is on. Hide expired passes on. Alright, make sure you subscribe, comment if this thing helped you out, like it. See ya.